Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best organic coffee enema kit is probably one of the most talked about health trends today, and for good reason. Many people are turning to this method for detoxification and overall wellness. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great organic coffee enema kit, covering everything from the best materials to the easiest to use designs, so you can make an informed decision about your health journey. Number 5. Cor-Vital Organic Enema Coffee. This organic coffee enema is non-carcinogenic and free of fungus and mold. It's the safest and cleanest choice for your needs. Experience rapid results with this coffee detox cleanse. It works quickly to detoxify your blood and reduce the burden on your liver. Take control of your health with this therapy roast coffee. It can help improve your mood and promote better sleep. This organic coffee increases energy levels and eliminates toxins. Unlike other options, you won't feel bloated, and it has no side effects. This coffee enema is 100% USDA certified organic, ensuring no toxic chemicals are used. Get yours today. What we like. This coffee enema is mold-free, ensuring the safest and cleanest experience. It also promises fast results, getting to work straight away to increase detoxification. If you are looking for a product that prioritizes purity and effectiveness, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit is well designed and easy to use. The coffee is organic and of good quality. The enema bag is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. PE Stainless Steel Enema Kit, 2 quart. This enema kit includes everything needed for effective colon cleansing. It comes with a medical-grade stainless steel bucket, silicone hose, and various tips. It's designed to provide a comprehensive and convenient experience. Made from high-quality, medical-grade number 304 stainless steel, this kit is built to last. The materials ensure durability and longevity, providing a reliable solution for your needs. Regular use may improve digestion and promote overall health. It transforms your home into a wellness sanctuary, suitable for both men and women. You can enjoy various cleansing protocols. The kit is designed for easy home use, making it ideal for everyone. It's also perfect for home colonic hydrotherapy, providing a simple and effective way to cleanse. Crafted from medical-grade materials, the products are meticulously designed. It is sold globally, ensuring uncompromised quality and peace of mind for users worldwide. What we like. This enema kit comes with everything you need, made from medical-grade stainless steel. It is designed for easy use, perfect for both men and women. If you are looking for a complete, durable, and easy-to-use kit for home colon cleansing, consider this one. What people say. Easy to use, easy to clean and store. Every household should have one, high quality and easy to use and maintain. I've used several enema kits from other brands in the past, and this one is by far the best. The stainless steel bucket makes it super easy to clean up and very hygienic, and the easy-to-use, sturdy valve is probably its best feature, unlike other brands that use cheap clamps. Number 3. Purelife Enema Coffee, Organic Light Roast. Introducing Purelife Enema Coffee, a light roast, specially crafted for superior liver detox. It's made with 100% USDA certified organic, specialty-grade Arabica beans. This ensures the purest enema coffee available. This coffee is Jersen approved and accepted, perfect for those following the Jersen therapy. The beans are medium ground for quick assimilation, ensuring it works effectively. It's a crucial part of your liver detoxification process. Every batch undergoes third-party lab testing, guaranteeing it's free of all contaminants, including heavy metals. This is important because it's going directly into your liver. You can trust its purity. Purelife uses an air roast process, which is superior to fire and drum roasting. This method eliminates chaff and burnt beans, ensuring a clean product. This process helps to maintain the coffee's integrity. Roasted in a GMP-certified facility, it's produced daily and airtight sealed for maximum freshness. The facility is nut-free, ensuring no cross-contamination. The company has been American-owned and operated since 2012. What we like. This coffee enema offers superior liver detox with its unique air roasting process. It is also third-party lab tested, ensuring it is free of contaminants. If you like a product that prioritizes purity and freshness, this is a great choice. What people say. I've been buying Purelife brand coffee for therapeutic enemas for years now. Purelife makes several roasts. Excellent product and very consistent. Number 2. Purelife Coffee Enema Kit, doctor's number 1 choice. Introducing the Purelife Coffee Enema Kit, a top choice recommended by doctors. This kit is designed for your well-being, offering a safe and effective way to cleanse. It's a reliable choice for those seeking a natural approach to health. This kit is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. The components are carefully selected to meet high standards. You can trust this product for its reliability and effectiveness. The kit features a 2QT, USA-made stainless steel bucket, lab-tested for contaminants. This ensures the highest level of purity. It holds up to 2 enemas, providing convenience and efficiency. The kit includes 5 feet of medical-grade silicone tubing, free of BPA and latex. This ensures safety and comfort during use. The tubing is designed for easy and effective administration. Included is 2 pounds of Purelife Enema coffee, medium ground and air roasted for purity. This coffee is 100% certified organic Arabica. It is lab tested and free of mold, fungus, and mycotoxins, adhering to Jersen therapy standards. The kit comes with 1 straight-in silicone enema nozzle and 16 red latex colon tube and connector for higher colon cleanse. It also includes an enema instruction booklet and a Jersen therapy coffee enema booklet. Everything you need is included. This product is from an American-owned and operated company since 2012. They are dedicated to providing quality products and excellent customer service. You can trust their commitment to your health and satisfaction. What we like. This kit is made in the USA with a food-grade stainless steel bucket. It includes lab-tested coffee, free of contaminants, and is Jersen accepted. If you are looking for a reliable, high-quality kit with a focus on purity and safety, you should consider this one. What people say. Great detailed instructions and everything you need is included. The coffee is organic and with only 3 tablespoons per enema, this should last a little while. The kit was well made and came with everything you need except a hook to hang it from. A suitable S-hook will work fine and are inexpensive at any hardware store. I am very happy with this product and recommend it. Very easy to clean. They recommend running a little vinegar water through the system. Can be sterilized. Number 1. Purelife Coffee Enema Kit, made in USA. Introducing the Purelife Coffee Enema Kit, made in the USA. This kit has everything you need for a comfortable and effective experience. It's designed with your well-being in mind. The kit includes a 2-quart stainless steel bucket, made in the USA. It's lab-tested for contaminants and built to last, so you can rely on it for years to come. It also comes with 5 feet of medical-grade silicone tubing and 3 silicone enema nozzles. This ensures a safe and hygienic experience, providing everything you need for a comfortable process. The kit features 1 pound of Purelife Enema coffee, medium air roasted for purity. It's certified organic and lab-tested to be mold, fungus, and mycotoxin-free, ensuring a safe and effective cleanse. Included are a stainless steel micro-mesh coffee enema strainer, reusable vinyl underbody sheeting, a colon tube, and instructional booklets. These accessories enhance the overall experience, making it easy to use. What we like. This kit is made in the USA and includes a stainless steel bucket and a coffee strainer. The coffee is lab-tested and mold, fungus, and mycotoxin-free. If you like a comprehensive kit with all the essentials for a thorough cleanse, this is the one for you. What people say. The instruction booklet covers both water and coffee usage. Extremely informative booklet with highly beneficial information. This package is a great deal for beginners because it has all the tools that you need to start. You also have the best quality type of coffee to use as recommended by experienced coffee enema users. Keep up the good work, great quality stainless steel and silicone. Wonderful packaging protecting everything inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.